Misuse! $15.21 for the 15.25 all trains Aberdeen service from London King's Cross to Hull. Well, I got my first misuse in a while. Idiots. We're going to be staying again, right. 15.22, wait, what is it? 15.25 all trains Aberdeen service from London King's Cross to Hull, and the 15.32 LNER from London King's Cross to Aberdeen. Misuse. That one's just past. Yeah, they do it all the time. Misuse. But that was my first one I caught in a long time. Them kids over there. The same like train would have come in here then, would they? First train is approaching. Your alarm's not changed. I thought it had got quieter, but it hasn't. Yeah, we are staying on that. Definitely staying on that. Here we are. Because here we are. Eight or 302, I think. Yeah, we are staying. Right, your next train is the 15.32 LNER from London King's Cross to Aberdeen. Next train is just approaching Egmonton, so it's a while away. Oh, my arm's aching. You can lower it because I'll be here in a minute. Signal away from Loversall, Carr. No! There's another. No, we're not. There's another one approaching, we're not. Here he is. .105, please. Right, up we go. Right, thanks everybody, I'll see you next time.